All right, everyone, we're going to do today's lesson on order of operations. Here's the expression we're going to solve today. It's 3 plus 4 to the second, in parentheses, minus 8. If you look at the bottom of my screen, you'll see that I wrote PEMDAs. That's a really good thing to keep in mind when solving any order of operations type of expression or equation. When solving, we want to keep in mind that PEMDAs means parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. I've grouped together multiplication and division because we go in the order from left to right. Sometimes division will come before multiplication. Same thing with addition and subtraction. Sometimes subtraction will come before addition. According to order of operations, we want to start off with doing our parentheses first. In our parentheses, we have 3 plus 4 to the second. Within our parentheses, we want to also continue to follow the order of operations. I wouldn't want to do 3 plus 4 first because that comes after the 4 to the second. 4 to the second is the same thing as 4 times 4, which is 16. I'm going to still add that to 3. And I'm still going to do that first because, not just because it comes first, but because it is still in parentheses. 3 plus 16 is 19. And then minus 8. 19 minus 8 is 11. And that is my final answer.